Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we are removing some block shades. I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to remove the block shade without damaging your door panel. Here are the tools you'll need. Alright, well basically just get a hairdryer or a heat gun and a long enough extension cord. I'll show you what's going on with this one. So this one, the kids ended up overextending it and ripped the block shade on the bottom. So we're replacing this block shade with a new replacement. I'm just gonna show you the process of removing it. If you need a video on how to install a new block shade, please check out my other videos. But this one will be specifically for removing the block shade without damaging your door panel. So what we'll do is move this aside like that, turn blow dryer on, and turn it on. You can turn it on high and hot. What you want to do is heat up back and forth. Don't keep it still for too long. Just keep wanting to go back and forth. You want to heat it up. And you just want to keep going back and forth. So do you see how the glue is kind of releasing as you pull up? Go slow. Don't force it too fast. You see how it's kind of just peeling off slowly? Okay, so now that you got the block shade off, we're gonna clean the door panel. So heat up the glue. So basically you can roll it off. You heat up the glue a little and you just roll your finger. Like a snowball effect. Yeah. Using alcohol wipes, and we're able to get off the glue residue. So it's just basically these alcohol wipes. It loosens up the glue. Okay, well here's the after removal, and we got most of the glue off. So we're planning to reinstall another shade. So basically that's pretty much it. That's how you remove the block shades without damage to your rear door panel. All right, well thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions.